So today my brother's gonna fly a airplane.
I wouldn't call no Avery.
And yes.
Well, I guess go ahead.
Wait! So yeah, I just flipped over. It has lights on the side. It has some lights on the side. So yeah. Hope you like this video. Bye! Doodles!
Oh, why don't you keep doing the video?
Wait, stop it!
Feel good. Let's
So,
see if
yeah,
can.
okay.
I want to lift off.
So I just flew into my kitchen. Probably turn the lights off. Wait.
It's back. Ready? Oh, cut that one.
Already corrupted this world with their twisted malfeasance. You are mine.
You have to get it settled in.
So I'm getting settled in. And then we're gonna blast off.
Now it's dead.
Well, I'm doing this real quick. Never mind.
Was it fully charged whenever we were trying it that day?
This monster.
Ah, charge it fully and maybe it could go faster. Hell yeah. Go
So
charge
it
it.
just died.